First, introduction, the need for loops. In the last lesson, we learned that arrays let us store many values under one name. But imagine having 20 or 50 scores. Manually accessing each element like scores sub 0, scores sub 1, up to scores sub 49 is inefficient and tedious. This is where the true power of arrays is unlocked, by combining them with loops, specifically the for loop. Since array indices are just numbers, 0, 1, 2, etc., we can use a loop counter I to access every element sequentially. Second, the problem: storing and displaying 5 scores. We need to perform 3 main tasks on our array of scores. Input: read 5 scores from the user and store them in the array. Processing: calculate the total sum of the scores. Output: print all the scores and the final average. Third, code implementation, inputting scores. The loop condition I is less than 5 must be suitable for the array size. We declare an array of size 5 and a variable for the loop counter and sum. Key concept: notice how scores sub I allows the loop to sequentially target scores sub 0, then scores sub 1, and so on until the condition I is less than 5 is false. Fourth, code implementation, processing, and output. Now we'll calculate the sum and the average. Since we are dealing with integers for the sum, we should use a float for the average to ensure accuracy. Fifth, full code summary and execution walkthrough. The combination of arrays and loops makes this task simple and scalable. If we needed 50 scores, we would only change the array declaration, scores sub 50, and the loop condition I is less than 50. This is the power of using the index I as a direct variable for both iteration and memory access. Sixth, conclusion and next steps. We've successfully used a one-dimensional array to store and process a list of data efficiently, proving that arrays and loops are inseparable in C programming. Next up, we'll explore a very special type of array: strings. Our next lesson is 4.03. Strings. Strings in C as character arrays ending with the null character, \0.